Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into Instagram from Facebook. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Now you have to tap on the top right corner of options. Now you have to just scroll down and tap on settings. In the settings bar, you just have to scroll down and at the bottom most you will see account center. After tapping on it, now you guys can see after tapping on profile you can see all your social media handles which are connected together. So in this way you can see your Instagram is connected to your Facebook profile. Then this feature will work for you. Now what you have to do is you just have to go back and tap on logging in with accounts. So what you have to do is you just have to tap on allow all accounts to log in into each other simple. So just have to tap on it. After tapping on it, now you guys can easily log into Instagram through Facebook or from Facebook and without entering password. So it's pretty simple and easy step. So hope you guys like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.